everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So today I am playing around. I got some things from Sephora. I feel like every video lately has been, I just got this, I just got this. Well, it is at the moment, unfortunately. But I am playing around my first ever Kat Von D product, and it's this eyeshadow glimmer shade and light palette. So I'm going to be playing around with this one. I must say the packaging is so chic. So it just looks like, how gorgeous do they look? It's so pretty. Anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos and my previous vlog. I am now back in Perth to film lots of videos for you this year, and might have a sneaky trip in November somewhere, but yeah, let's just go ahead and do this video. And I'm going to be starting uni in about a month as well, so plan to have a few good videos for you up this year. Alrighty, let's just jump into the tutorial. I need to keep really hydrated today because I'm so sore from the gym. Alrighty, so to start off my face, I'm going to prime with the Australis Midas Touch Serum Primer. I have used this in a video before, so, oh, is that fan going to be so annoying? I'll put it on low. So I have used this in a video before. I'm pretty sure I liked it. If I don't like stuff, I generally just don't use it. While that's sort of drying a bit, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lumi Magique foundation. I don't know if they still make this one. I'm pretty sure this matches my skin quite well at the moment. We'll see. I'm going to be using the shade, this is what takes me forever, Gold Linen, DW3. Says it on the top. I'm actually going to try a different method of putting my foundation on today. I'm going to use a foundation flat brush and then use my Real Techniques sponge to push it into the skin. I remember the days when I used to use just this foundation brush to put my foundation on. I cannot believe that's what I used to use. Now I'm just going to use my sponge. Oh dang, I wanted to do my eyes first. Hold on. Just going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Toodle peep. So the power of editing, no brows on right now. Okay, so my eyebrows are on and I did prime my eyelids with my MAC. Alrighty, so I primed my eyelids and my what? Alright, so my eyebrows are on and I have primed my eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I set that down. So now we're going to jump into the Kat Von D Glimmer Eyeshadow Palette, this one here. So it looks amazing. I don't know if you guys have seen many reviews on this or not. This is what it looks like. To be honest, there's only not many matte shades. I can make this work. What I was going to do, I want to try and do grungy sort of makeup look today, but every time I plan to do something, it just doesn't happen. I'm actually going to use my TooFaced Chocolate Bar palette first to sort of get a crease colour, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so nice and close and personal. Yeah, my eyebrows are looking a bit fierce. Oh well. So first off, I'm going to take Hazelnut, this colour right here, and pop that in my crease. No, that's Salted Caramel, you numpty. And then we're going to take milk chocolate and a bit of, milk chocolate and a bit of semi-sweet, that brown one. So, oh my god, can't even work this right. Those two browns I'm going to take in my crease as well. Pretty sure I just dinged my palette. I'm then going to pack Triple Fudge on the outer third of my eye. I'm then going to take Glacier, pretty sure that's it, Glacier here, and pack that on top of what I've just done. On sort of this part of my eye, like the middle part, I'm going to take Copper, which is this one here. Let's use my finger first. I don't mean to flip you guys the bird right now. I'm going to take Glacier again and just pack that on the outer third and sort of just like blend these two colours together. Then on my inner part, I'm going to take this one here. I'm pretty sure that is Cinder. I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye, and I will be back with mascara and false eyelashes. The mascara I'm using is my Colossal Big Shot, and my lashes are just the Ardell 1110s. Yeah, they're just a little bit used. I will be back shortly. Okay, so while my eyelashes are drying, it was a mission to get this eye on. This eye was just like piece of piss. So I'm going to conceal under my eyes and try and clean up a little bit of eyeshadow here. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and the colour I'm using is Natural. It's a bit of a different colour than mine. So I'm going to use my foundation brush again and then use my beauty sponge. And I'm just going to spritz my sponge with some primer water. And to bake, I'm going to use the TooFaced Primed and Poreless powder. I've got one eyelash, it's not playing ball right now. For my lower lash line, going back into the Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be taking Milk Chocolate, this one here, and that one. Because I don't think it's dark enough, I'm going to take that Triple Fudge, which was that darker sort of brown colour. Yes guys, I'm aware there is a helicopter flying over right now and it's driving me up the wall when I'm talking, so I'm so sorry. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this Napoleon Curtis Loose Eye Dust in Water Lily. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Can you see this eyelash? It's just not playing ball. I'm sorry. To contour, I'm going to use my MAC Matte Bronze. And to bronze up my cheeks, I'm going to take the Milani Baked Bronzer. This one here. This is in Suede. Oh my god, I thought it just broke. It was a little brush that came out. I was like, oh! I can't wait to see that on replay. To blush and highlight my face, I'm going to take in this Becca Apres Glow Face Palette. This one, well, it's very reflective, so I'm so sorry if it blinds you. I'm going to be taking this pink one as my blush. Just going to apply a little bit to my cheeks. I'm going to take Opal, and then maybe on top of that I'm going to take Rose Quartz, this highlight here. Yeah, I'm going to take Rose Quartz just a little bit on top of that. For lips, I'm going to do the NYX Lipliner in Natural and use the, NYX again, NYX Liquid Suede in, I think this is Cosmic Metals. No, Mauve Mist, hang on. Yeah, no, I want Mauve Mist. A little bit of Model's Own setting spray. My eyelash is probably just going to drop off right now. Okay guys, that completes this finished, whoa, hang on. My eyes are a bit dry. Okay guys, that completes this makeup tutorial look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like it. I feel like this is a look I do all the time on my channel. I'm sorry if it is, but with that Kat Von D palette, I just saw the golds and I was like, I want to play with that. Anything else? I hope you enjoyed this video, like stepping it up a notch. Yeah. I'm really liking natural lashes at the moment with my heavy duty makeup look. I really can't do thick bands. Don't know why. I haven't played around with them enough, but I really like natural ones. So I hope you enjoy the false eyelashes. I still am like a more natural mascara. I just try and make it work. But for this look, the false eyelashes really worked. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm going to take a bunch of selfies and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to try and upload twice a week, guys. So please stay tuned for that. And leave me comments and anything else. Not really, just gonna wrap it up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What's that? Bye. Bye.